Hey there, it's Russell with Auto Paint Plus. We're here at Valley Enterprises today, and we're going to be shooting some 777 anti-sag single stage. We call it gravity-defying paint. We're going to go meet Chris and Mac today. They're the owners of the business here, and we're going to talk to them real quick and then get right into painting. This is Mac and Chris Harms. They're the owners of the business. They've been nice enough to let us come in today and shoot our 777 anti-sag single stage. And anyway, you guys, we appreciate letting us come in, and we love their business. They do a lot of big stuff, including school buses, which is what we're going to be shooting today. A lot of ribs, a lot of rivets, all that kind of stuff that you generally tend to get runs on, or if you're not really careful. So great product for what we're doing. All right, so the great thing about the 777 paint is this is a perfect example of why this type of a product was invented. You got rivets, you got bolts, you've got corrugated metal, and it's hard to get paint underneath here without getting too much paint here. So you have possibilities of running off of these edges, and of course, rivets are an issue. Paint tends to pool around them, and then you get the little rivet runs. And so the way this product is designed, that it actually will swell or puff up on application and hold itself in place as the solvents flash out, and then it'll shrink back down. And it's not just a heavy-duty industrial style paint. You can get a glass-like finish out of it, an automotive finish with this product as well. So this is a perfect candidate for this type of a job. And again, super high solids, so coverage is fantastic. 1 to 2 coats and you're done. So a quick correction on the application of the 777. You need 2 wet coats for correct mill thickness and a 3rd coat if you need coverage. right, so that was a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna have to shave my eyebrows when I get home. That stuff is really sticky. But anyway, we wanted to talk to Mac and ask him how he felt about spraying it and what the difference was between the products he's been spraying before, as far as how does it hang, how does it shoot, all those kind of things.
I really enjoyed it. I mean, I've shot their 928 single stage for years and got pretty good at it, but it's still, like I was saying, when your arm gets tired, those rivets will run, especially trying to get as much coverage as was on that bus. I mean, there were places on there that I probably should have ran, trying to get the triple coverage or up on top of the bus, you know, trying to keep my balance and not fall off. So it was nice being able to follow the sheen on there and not worrying about getting the perfect amount of coverage on it. Just as long as the gloss was there, it seemed to lay down just fine. I like that you could take your time with it. You could load it pretty much. I mean, the 928, you got to be moving pretty quick. So with this stuff, you could load it. Like on that second coat, you set it to hog it on there until I did, and it didn't run any of the rivets.
Yep, hung. We looked at all the rivets. The rivets were perfect. You could watch the sheen. Yeah, you can watch your reflection, which is really nice. That's what you want to be able to do with the coating, is say, I know I'm getting it on wet enough, and you can watch it go on, and that was one of the things that I love about it. And just to let you guys know, these guys are not trained professionals with this particular product. This is something they've never sprayed before. All of our videos were with guys that have never shot these products before. This is the first time, and we get these kind of results with one application.
No, it was real cool. I really enjoyed it.
Good. This is something that these guys, I'm sure, are going to put it into their repertoire as far as what kind of materials they're going to be having in their paint room, because this does so many things that the other ones will for virtually the same cost, and it saved him literally about 30 minutes in the paint booth. So that's another thing, time savings, you know. So anyway.
Well, and then there's no cleanup afterwards either. There's no worrying about the rivets. There's no worrying about trying to fix anything. When it's dry, it'll be done.
Yep.
That's always a time saver too. Cool. Get the decals on it and get it out.
Running out the door. All right, job well done.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Mac. All right, appreciate you guys. We'll see you later.
All right.
All right. Hey, thanks for watching our video today. If you have any questions on any of the products that we feature, we will leave a link to our website in the description below. And remember to like and subscribe. Until next time.